Cleaning step patterns in Velox define how cleaning substrates of type pad cleaner are moved underneath the probe tips between each cleaning touchdown. Choosing the best cleaning step pattern for your probes ensures that each touchdown occurs on a fresh cleaning area, preventing contamination and ensuring best measurement performance. Velox offers 3 cleaning step patterns: Index, which moves incrementally from right to left and top to bottom; Diagonal, which moves in a diagonal sequence across the pad; and Optimal, designed for regular, rectangular probe cards, maximizing cleaning pad usage. To set up a cleaning step pattern, you must be logged into Velox as an admin user. In the Velox toolbar, click the Velox button, then select Velox Settings. Navigate to Auxiliary Sites and ensure that a site of type pad cleaner is set up. Select Cleaning Manager and go to the Probe Parameters tab. First, enter the X and Y dimensions of your probes. If you don't know the exact dimensions, use the Measure On-Screen tool. For multiple probes or a probe card, enter the full XY dimension of all probes. Click Apply Probe Dimension. You can now choose a cleaning step pattern from the drop-down menu. The index step pattern performs incremental touchdowns from right to left and top to bottom. Between each touchdown, the cleaning substrate is moved 1 index step forward, ensuring thorough coverage of the cleaning surface without repeating the same spot. Index steps are calculated based on the probe dimensions. Index step pattern is the preferred option for single probes or when you are uncertain about which pattern to use. The diagonal pattern distributes touchdowns diagonally across the cleaning pad. It is the preferred option for pyramid probe cards. For optimal results, it is recommended to move the cleaning chuck by at least 2 times the tip diameter in both the X and Y directions between touchdowns. This ensures each probe tip contacts fresh material. The optimal step pattern is ideal for regular rectangular probe cards, where the probe tips are spaced evenly. This pattern optimizes cleaning by using the space between the probe tips before performing an index step. Optimal steps are calculated based on probe card size, pitch, tip size, and area around the tips. Once a cleaning step pattern is set up, it will automatically be applied to all cleaning substrates of type pad cleaner. You can then proceed to set up a cleaning sequence or execute a single cleaning site. That's a quick overview of cleaning step patterns in Velox. For more help, contact your FormFactor application expert or refer to the Help section in Velox.